हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज शेख नोमान। आप देख रहे हैं स्टार न्यूज़।
Good evening, friends. You're watching Star News Express with Mustafa Zawar. Today we are at the Turishoki Crossroads, and I see that everything has been shut down, and police is doing an extremely good job. And today we have the Circle of Inspector, Mr. Chandrasekhar Reddy sir, all here. So we'll talk to him and check and see, what are the measures police is taking to prevent people from coming out. So very good evening, sir. How are you doing?
Good evening to all. I am Inspector Golconda Chandrasekhar Reddy. Just you are watching earlier before imposing curfew, you might have known this Tolichok junction is very biggest junction. Here lot of crowd will be available almost till late night hours. But whereas whenever the police instructions receives by the people, they are cooperating very voluntarily. So most of the people are not coming out from their houses. They are cooperating to us. Remaining people are coming out for the purpose of health issues and emergency services or public transportation. So these are the exemption services issued by the government. So we are also allowing them freely because they have to attend important issues. Moreover, whoever going to travel abroad or domestic, they are also been allowed by checking the air ticket. Like that, we are facilitating the common people also.
So today is the second day of the curfew. So have you booked any cases? And yesterday was the first day. So how many cases you have booked yesterday, sir? How many people have, have violated the rules?
Yeah, yesterday night our people booked around 25 to 30 cases. Whoever violated the curfew rules. So today also around 10 to 15 cases we have been booking. Till late morning also we will going to book the cases. If anybody comes out without any valid reason, our main purpose is to control the public who are moving unnecessarily and also getting spread the COVID virus.
So what are the sections you are going to impose if people violate the rules?
Section 51 to 60 Disaster Management Act, as well as Section 188 IPC. We are booking the cases against the violators who are moving, who are roaming in the late hours from 9 p.m. to morning 5 a.m.
So last year when we had the same kind of curfew or the lockdown, the police were taking the RC of the vehicles, people who have violated the rules. So do we have the same kind of rule this time as well?
No, this time government has given more facility to the violators. Our Telangana government launched one e-Challan app. In e-Challan app, we will going to book the cases on the violators. In that Challan, will take the mobile number of the violators, and immediately we entered in the tab. They will get the OTP. Then we will inform the EPT cases number. We are moreover giving facility also on the basis of OTP and EPT cases number. They can pay the Challan in Mi Seva also.
Thank you, sir. Sir, would you like to give more information to our viewers, sir? Any special information from your side?
Yes, this is the main important occasion. Can use the platform. I am requesting the people. Now we are more supporting from common people also. Like the way unnecessary, don't come on the roads. Be safe and stay safe. If any emergency, definitely will come out. We can come out for to attend the emergency services or health issues also. Will definitely support you and facilitate you. We are ready for you.
So thank you so much for giving time to Star News Express. Friends, today it's 10:15 in the evening, and I'm at the Tulishoki Crossroad, and I see policemen all over here. Let me tell you, Pia, police is not here to play the IPL, or they're not playing any games. They are here for us, for the safety and security of the people, of you and me. So I request all the viewers to please stay at home. Please come out only if you have any kind of emergencies. Please, please, please follow the instructions.